do you look for in a premium smartphone? Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is here to challenge expectations and redefine what a flagship phone can do. With cutting-edge design, jaw-dropping performance, and some of the most advanced camera technology on the market, this device promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. But does it justify the $1,299 starting price? Let's find out. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and even a shot at $5,000 Samsung credit. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a masterpiece. This year, Samsung has introduced subtle yet meaningful design upgrades that make the device stand out. Rounded corners and polished camera rings merge beautifully with the new One UI 7.0 software, creating a seamless harmony between hardware and software. Samsung has also brought back the distinct S-series identity while subtly paying homage to the Galaxy Note. The device's softer edges and slimmer dimensions make it as comfortable to hold as it is visually stunning. At 218 grams, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is lighter than its predecessor, and the thinner, narrower body feels great in hand. Its 6.9-inch quad high-definition plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display is a true marvel. Slimmer bezels frame the screen, offering an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching your favorite show or scrolling through social media. The display's brightness and color accuracy are second to none, living up to Samsung's reputation for incredible screens. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. It's not just fast, it's a performance powerhouse. Compared to the previous model, you're getting a 37% improvement in CPU performance, 30% faster GPU capabilities, and a massive 40% boost in neural processing unit efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, this phone handles it all effortlessly. During our hands-on test, it breezed through video rendering tasks, outperforming last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra by a significant margin. Samsung has also redefined smartphone photography with this device. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and two telephoto lenses, one with 3x zoom at 10 megapixels and another with 5x zoom at 50 megapixels. The new ultra-wide sensor, featuring an aperture of f/1.9, elevates low-light photography. Images are sharper, more detailed, and show minimal noise. You can also now record 8K video using the ultra-wide lens, a feature content creators will love. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the improved speakers on this device. They're louder, clearer, and punchier than ever before, perfect for streaming music or watching videos without needing external speakers. And what about the S Pen? While it still delivers an excellent drawing and writing experience, Samsung has made a notable change by removing the Bluetooth-enabled gestures and remote functionality. Could the iPhone 16e be Apple's new game-changer in the budget phone market? We've all seen the iPhone Special Edition lineup over the years, offering a budget-friendly option for Apple fans. But with the upcoming iPhone 16e, which was previously rumored to be the iPhone Special Edition 4, it seems Apple is ready to make a bold move, not just competing with Google's Pixel and Samsung's Galaxy series, but even with their flagship iPhone 16. According to reputable leaker Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 16e is shaping up to be a contender with an updated design and some impressive specs. If the leaks are true, the iPhone 16e will be a complete redesign compared to its predecessors, leaving the outdated look behind. Instead, we're looking at something closer to the iPhone 14 with a few tweaks. The phone is expected to feature a 6.06-inch Full HD Plus LTPS OLED display, the same one found in the iPhone 14. This means vibrant colors and sharp details, making it a pleasure to watch videos or browse your favorite apps. It will also come with Face ID, housed in a notch at the top, and a sleek metal frame that will give it a premium feel. And when it comes to the camera, the iPhone 16e will pack a single rear camera, keeping things simple but effective. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by Apple's 18 chip, the same one found in the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. This powerful processor will give the 16e the ability to handle everything from everyday tasks to heavy-duty apps with ease. It will also feature a solid water resistance rating, so you don't have to worry about the occasional splash of water. Now, while the iPhone 16e brings a lot to the table, there's one thing that might hold it back. The display refresh rate will still be capped at 60 Hz, which means it won't be as smooth as the 120 Hz displays you'll find on some of its competitors, like the Pixel 8a and Galaxy A55. While 60 Hz might be fine for some, it could feel a bit sluggish when compared to phones with faster refresh rates, especially for scrolling and gaming. The good news: the price is expected to start at $499, making it a strong contender in the upper mid-range market. This is a slight increase over the previous model, but considering the A18 chip and the updated design, it could be well worth it. Some sources even suggest that the iPhone 16e will come with 8 gigabytes of RAM, which would support Apple's artificial intelligence features, offering smoother performance and even smarter capabilities. While the lack of a 120Hz refresh rate might be a downside for some, the A18 chip could more than make up for it. It's the same flagship processor found in the more expensive iPhone 16 models, which means the iPhone 16e could blow its competition out of the water when it comes to performance. The iPhone 16e is expected to launch in April, and there's already a lot of buzz around it. With so many similarities to the iPhone 16, it might even make you wonder what the iPhone 16 offers that the 16e doesn't. The iPhone 16 might come with a second camera, a larger battery, and the new action button and dynamic island, but the iPhone 16e is definitely shaping up to be a strong option for anyone looking for a budget iPhone. As the rumors continue to swirl, we're all eager to see how this new iPhone 16e turns out. If it ends up being as good as the leaks suggest, this could be the best value iPhone Apple has ever released. If you're as excited as I am about the iPhone 16e, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Selling old smartphones often feels like a chore, but Samsung is making it easier for users in South Korea with their new Galaxy Easy Compensation Program. This innovative initiative allows people to sell their old Galaxy phones directly through Samsung's website without the usual requirement to purchase a new device. It's a fresh approach aimed at simplifying the process and providing a hassle-free experience for Galaxy users. The Galaxy Easy Compensation Program is set to launch on January 14, 2025, and it brings a unique twist to the typical trade-in process. Traditionally, when selling an old phone through a manufacturer or retailer, there's an expectation that you'll buy a new one. Samsung's program removes that expectation, offering users the flexibility to sell their phones without any obligation to make a new purchase. This straightforward process is designed to cater to those who want to declutter and earn money from their old devices without committing to a new phone. The process is simple. Users who wish to sell their old Galaxy phones can visit Samsung's website to check the estimated value of their device. Once they decide to proceed, they can send their phone to Samsung via courier. Upon receiving the phone, Samsung will evaluate its condition and categorize it into one of 3 grades: excellent, good, or recycle. Based on this grading, users will receive compensation that corresponds to the condition of their phone. This transparent grading system ensures that sellers get a fair deal for their old devices. The program covers a wide range of Galaxy models, including the Galaxy S20 series, Galaxy S21 series, Galaxy S22 series, and the latest Galaxy S23 series. It also includes the foldable phones such as the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, and Z Fold 5. By including these popular models, Samsung ensures that a large portion of its user base can take advantage of the program. Whether you have a standard smartphone or one of Samsung's innovative foldable devices, there's a good chance you'll be eligible to participate. While the program is currently limited to smartphones, Samsung has hinted at the possibility of expanding it to include other devices in the future. This expansion could cover Galaxy Tab devices, smartwatches, and laptops, providing even more options for users looking to recycle their old tech. This broader inclusion would not only benefit users by offering a convenient way to sell various gadgets, but also contribute significantly to reducing electronic waste. Samsung's initiative is not just about convenience. It's also a step towards promoting sustainability and the circular economy. By encouraging users to recycle their old devices, Samsung aims to extend the life cycle of its products and reduce the environmental impact of electronic waste. John Ho-jin, Vice President of Samsung Electronics Korea, emphasized the company's commitment to these goals, expressing confidence that the program will enhance the long-term value of Galaxy products and support environmental sustainability. Looking ahead, Samsung plans to expand the Galaxy Easy Compensation Program to other countries. While the company has not disclosed which countries will be included, this global expansion promises to bring the benefits of this program to a wider audience. For Samsung users around the world, this means more opportunities to sell their old devices conveniently and securely. Samsung's Galaxy Easy Compensation Program offers a fresh, user-friendly approach to selling old smartphones. It provides a simple, transparent process that allows users to sell their devices without the need to purchase a new one. With a focus on sustainability and customer convenience, this initiative not only benefits Galaxy users in South Korea, but also holds the promise of making a positive impact on the environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next one.